Before buying eNational testing, there are 7 key things you need to know that will make or break your decision. Whether you're considering it for personal use or as an organization, knowing these insights can save you time and money and help you make a more informed choice. First off, eNational testing offers a powerful testing platform that stands out in an already crowded market. Compared to competitors like Test.com or ExamSoft, eNational testing promises to streamline the process of test creation, distribution, and grading. But is it worth the investment? Stick around as we break it down for you. The second thing you need to know is how easy it is to integrate into your existing system. Many test platforms can be a headache to set up, requiring long implementation periods and complicated processes. eNational testing, however, is designed with simplicity in mind. It integrates seamlessly with popular learning management systems, LMS, like Moodle and Blackboard, saving you the pain of complicated setups. The process is quick, which means you can focus more on your content rather than the logistics of using a platform. The third point, pricing. eNational testing is known for being cost-effective, especially when compared to other platforms in the same tier. Many competitors, like ProProfs or Quizlet, can get pricey quickly once you scale, but eNational testing gives you a lot of value at a competitive price. They also offer flexible pricing plans depending on the size of your team or organization, making it a great choice for both individuals and enterprises. Next thing to note is its security features. As more people move to online testing, data privacy is a top concern. eNational testing uses advanced encryption to ensure that both your test data and your participants' information are securely stored. This is a major plus over competitors, which often offer minimal security options. If you're running high-stakes exams, you'll appreciate the peace of mind that comes with knowing everything is encrypted and protected. The fifth thing you should consider is their analytics and reporting tools. eNational testing goes beyond simple scoring and provides detailed insights into test results. You'll be able to see not only who passed or failed, but also which questions were most difficult for students. This can be a game changer when analyzing patterns in performance and improving the quality of your tests over time. While competitors do offer analytics, eNational testing's reporting is one of the most comprehensive in the market. The sixth thing to keep in mind is the user experience. From test creators to participants, eNational testing is designed to be intuitive. Creating a test is as simple as dragging and dropping questions, and for students, the interface is clean and straightforward. This makes the platform accessible for all skill levels. Unlike other platforms, which can overwhelm you with unnecessary features, eNational testing keeps it focused on what really matters: ease of use and efficiency. The seventh and final thing to consider before committing to eNational testing is their customer support. The platform offers a responsive support team available through live chat, email, and even phone, ensuring you're never left in the dark. Many other platforms leave users to navigate forums or rely on lengthy email chains, but eNational testing prioritizes quick, direct assistance, which is a huge benefit when you're troubleshooting or need help with specific issues. If you're looking to try out eNational testing, I've got a great offer for you. By clicking the first link in the description below, you can get access to their best free trial offer, giving you a chance to test out all the features risk-free. You'll also gain some exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else, so don't miss out on this opportunity. In conclusion, eNational testing offers a streamlined, secure, and cost-effective solution for anyone in need of a robust testing platform. From seamless integrations to top-notch analytics and unparalleled customer support, it's a strong contender in the market. If you're interested in testing it out, make sure to click the first link below to claim your best free trial today.